Hello everyone, this is Sydney, and in this video we are going to talk about the magic link. As you can see here, this is the magic link sale page. Now, you will make your first commission in 48 hours from now without showing your face on video, guaranteed. So this is a total different way to make money with the OLSP system. And first, you need to make sure that you know the difference between the mega link and the magic link. If you don't know anything about the mega link, or you are still unclear about the difference between them, I suggest that you go to the link in my description right here, right? I put the link down there, and you can read about the mega link. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the magic link. So the magic link is only $7. Yes, it's only $7. And it's a different way to make money. And there are two ways to make money with the magic link. And the first way is you can promote the magic link itself. To get the affiliate link for the magic link, you need to go to the commission here, okay? Go to the tab here and click on commission generator. And you click on promote evergreen offers and you scroll down. Just scroll down. It should show some links right there, but I'm not sure why it doesn't show. Okay, let me refresh it again. Okay, here you go. Now you can see this is the list building and the magic link affiliate link. So basically you will be the affiliate to promote this link and you will earn 100% commission. That is $7 if anyone buy the magic link training from you. And this is this exact page, okay? And you need to own the magic link before you can be an affiliate for it. Okay, so that is the very first way that you can make money with the magic link. But it's only when you think that this magic link works and it can help people to make money, then you should promote it. I myself, I just recommend what I use. So I recommend that you should do that too, because that we truly care about people. We want to help people, right? So the second way is about the magic link itself. And this video is mostly about this second way. Okay, so make sure that you watch my video really carefully, because I know so many people are confused about the magic link and how you can make money with it. But I am here to help you. So don't worry, just follow me and I will walk you through everything. Okay, so the magic link, as the name saying, as you can see, the magic link is a link, right? It's a link. And anytime you click on it, it will redirect you to an offer. For example, this is offer number 1, offer number 2, offer number 3, and offer number 4. So magic link is basically, it's just a rotator link. But the offer here are picked by Wayne's team. Wayne is the founder in the OLSP system. So these are high converting offers. You don't need to find the offer anymore. You can just promote this magic link only. Okay, so just the magic link. And let's go to the training for the list building and magic link. Once you buy it, you will see it appears in your dashboard right here. And if you access this product, you will see this is the training, right? This is the training for the magic link. And here, remember, this is your own magic link, okay? Now, this is the magic link. Let me put it here for you to see. So, for the first way, you earn $7 each, and you need to wrap this affiliate link differently from the second way. The second way is here, right? You go to the training and you click on here, right? You click on this list building and magic link on top here. This is your magic link. So if I click on this link right now, it will go to read for money. And some other time I see it go to another offer, but I actually don't spend so much time testing the links out, but I'm sure with you that it will redirect you to different offers. And in here, you can see there are two ways that you can earn with this magic link, okay? The first is when someone click on this link, you will earn 30 cents each time, okay? That is the first. And the second one is when they go here, when they land in this page, right? And if they like these products and they buy, you will earn commission as well. So there are two ways that you can earn money with the magic link itself. And another way is in here when you promote the link, the magic link, as an affiliate, and you will earn $7 each. You get me so far? Okay, so now let's dive deep into how to make this one work, because this is different and it's not as so many people are thinking that you just send any traffic to this link and you can earn. No, it's not like that, because you have to buy traffic from Wayne. Okay, you need to buy traffic from Wayne. Wayne is a solo ad provider. He's really well known for his service, and I won't put here his service as well. You can go and check out his solo ad service, and you have to buy traffic from him to be qualified for these two methods of earning. So what is he teaching here? This method is about list building. And what it means is, look at this. Now, let me explain with you this method. Okay, so you buy traffic from Wayne. He will send clicks to your squish page. You need to build this page, okay? But don't worry, everything is done for you. This page will capture your emails, right? Email from this traffic. Then you will have a list of email here. And after that, you will see from this page, after people enter their email in here, they will be sent to this magic link sales page, okay? And if they buy in here, you will get commission. And you also have this list, and this email list is now yours. And here you will send email to your list. And in every single email, you will redirect them to the magic link again. And inside this email, if they click on your magic link, you will earn that 30 cents. Okay, you get me? And of course, if they buy, you also will earn commission. And the good thing is now this list is yours, and you can sell anything to this list. You need to build relationship with them, and you can sell anything to them. Okay, so to recap, you will build a funnel and you will buy traffic from Wayne to build your list. This is the most to earn with the magic link. The list is now yours, right? You can put your magic link in the email swipes, or you can promote any of your offers. And you will earn as two ways above, and you also earn from any offers that you are promoting to them. So basically, you just need to build a list and you earn with the magic link. The question is, how can you be guaranteed to earn in 48 hours? First, I gotta say that when traffic is pretty high quality, so he can guarantee this. After you build your page and you send your 100 free clicks, you are guaranteed to earn from his traffic, okay? But the thing is, you gotta listen to this. To be qualified for this 100 free clicks, you need to use their OLSP page builder, the TD pages. It costs $47 per month, but it's 14 days free. And you also need to get an autoresponder, and they use GetResponse. And you need to, set up it for $16 per month. But in the first 30 days, it's going to be free. And you can learn from the training here on how to set up everything. Okay, in this training, you can learn how to set up everything here. And you send the 100 clicks for free here, and after that you can earn. I know that some people will ask me this question. You can see that the cost is around $60 per month after the free trials, right? And you also need the fee for clicks as well. So how do we minimize the costs? Yeah, I'm here for a solution. So my solution is to use another alternative page builder, which is System.io. It's not only just a page builder, but it's also an autoresponder, and you can use it for completely free. And I will give you my page. I already built it for you. I also give you the email swipes with more than 30 emails, and you can just import it in your funnel. You connect everything and you can just have it running. Okay, so if you are interested in the free page builder and emails that I am already set up, you can just go to the link in the description below to import everything. And I hope that this video has helped you to understand more about the magic link. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below and I'm more than happy to help. And this is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I see you on another video.